Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI4Laymans channel. In this video, we're going to explore Agentic Lab tool, one of the most powerful hands-on learning tools available on AI4Laymans. Agentic Lab helps you build, test, and run your own AI agents without needing advanced programming knowledge. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, click on the Practice section in the menu bar. A pop-up will appear with various AI tools. You'll find Agentic Lab at the top. Click on it to open the workspace. When you enter Agentic Lab, you'll notice two main sections: My Agents and Practice Scenarios. The platform includes ready-made examples such as LinkedIn Outreach, Market Research, Email Drafting, Meeting Notes, LinkedIn Post Generation, and BANT, Lead Qualification. These examples help you understand how AI agents can be used for real-world business and productivity tasks. To create your own agent, click Build New Agent. This opens the Agent Creation workspace, where you'll start by giving your agent a name. You can create agents for customer support, research, content creation, meeting summaries, sales qualification, productivity tasks, and much more. To make things easier, Agentic Lab provides quick start templates that you can use and customize instead of starting from scratch. Next, add instructions for your agent. This is where you define who the agent is, what it should do, and how it should behave. Then enter the user's task or question. Providing clear instructions and objectives helps the agent produce better results. Another powerful feature is tool selection. You can choose which tools your agent can access. Web search allows the agent to gather information from the internet. Vector search helps retrieve information from knowledge bases and documents. Read file allows the agent to analyze uploaded files and data. And finish lets the agent know when a task has been successfully completed. Once everything is configured, click Run My Agent. The platform will execute your agent using the instructions, task, and tools you've selected. You can review the results, refine the setup, and continue improving your agent's performance. Agentic Lab provides a practical way to learn how modern AI agents are built, how they use tools, and how they solve real-world problems. Whether you're a student, professional, entrepreneur, or AI enthusiast, AI4Laymans is a great place to gain hands-on experience with Agentic AI. Enjoy building your own AI agents with Agentic Lab on AI4Laymans. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.